Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we will be making a lippan art wall decor item. So let's start. As you can see that I am using orange color to cover both the sides evenly. Now I have taken molded clay and rolling it for the desired length. Now we will apply glue at each side of the MDF board. Then we apply the clay covering all the sides properly. Now glue a round mirror in the center and apply clay around it. Now we will make shapes. After this, it's time to give some textures using the back side of the paint brush. Apply yellow color in the shapes after done. And add some mirrors. Apply 3D outliner around it, and it is almost done. Texture Art 3D outliner to fill colors in the holes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.